lesson, I'm going to teach you to play Flight from Man of Steel. It goes like this. You can always improvise a song. I'm only teaching you a little bit simply because it's a very long song, and I'm going to do another lesson on the rest of it, just so you can learn this and then practice it a bit, and then I'm going to do more. Okay? So let's break it into parts to learn. So the first bit, like all of that bit, is very easy simply because it only consists of E's, A's, C's, and F's. Okay? So over here, so middle C's over here, you're going to go down to this C, then up to this E, and then this other E down an octave. So you're going to play both of them together, and then you're going to press E and A for the right hand, and A, just A, for the left hand. So it sounds like, okay, and then you're going to go down to the C's, and then you're going to play both of them together, and then you're going to play C, F, and F. So like, and then so every time you do that, every time you play one of them, you're going to, that will be one set, and then let's have a look. You're going to be doing 9 sets, okay? So you're going to play one of these, or 9 times, okay? So, but you're going to start with the E one, then go to this one, and you should end on the, okay? So now, we've got that bit, okay? Which is the most exciting bit of the song, okay? So, we've only got 2 chords for the left hand. We've only got C, E, G, and B flat, E flat, G. I'm going to write these down on a sheet of paper just so you can remember them. So it's just going to be alternating between those. And for the right hand, we've got C, B, C. Up here, okay? So middle C's over here for reference. I'm going to go up an octave. And then you're going to go G, F, G. So, but then you're going to change a little bit. So you're going to go C, I'm going to go G, F, E flat. So you're going to go C, B, C, and then G, F, G. So let's say every time you play a G, F, G, E, that's, no, let's put it differently actually. Let's have a look. Let's make it into sets really. So, there's a kind of a pattern here because every time you do C, B, C, I mean the G, F, G, it's either going to be G, F, G or G, F, E flat. But you're going to go G, F, G, and then the next time you play it, you're going to do G, F, E flat, okay? So you're going to do C, B, C, G, F, G, C, B, C, G, F, E flat. We're going to keep alternating between those, okay? So every time you do it, one is going to be a set. But on the second set, you're going to be changing it to the... I mean, in total there are Well, let's have a look. There's 6 sets, and then you're going to end on the. Okay? So let's put the left hand and right hand together and play it. So, you're going to be going C, G, and then C by itself, and then chord by itself. So, like that. So, and then you can also play the C and chord but together. So like that, okay? So you're going to be playing it 3 times. And then it's going to be the same pattern with the G, F, E or G, F, G. It'll be them. Okay? So let's play it now. I'm going to play it slowly so you can play along too. Sound like this. So middle C is here for reference. We're going to go down an octave here, and then the lower C together. There. Just like that, okay? So then that's kind of pretty much it. I'm going to, like I said earlier, I'm going to teach more of it in the next lesson. And so you keep an eye out for that. And in the meantime, keep practicing this bit because it's very fun to play. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and please subscribe for more. And if you want, you can always email me to find out which ones I'm going to do next. Or you can also request some too, if you want. Anyway, thank you for watching.